everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at Hertz Vancouver Airport, and they're actually sold out. They've been sold out for a while, but let's take a look and see what they've got available here. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click that like button. And we'll start things off. We got a couple Mustangs there, both the 5-liter and the EcoBoost Mustang. The returns are kind of over and behind there. And we got an Infiniti, Ford Edge, Corolla. Well, we got one of these electric Hyundai Konas. Highlander, another Infiniti, a couple Infinitis here. Down at the end there's a Charger, large Ford SUV. And we got another Corolla, we got a Sonata, Camry, and another one of these electric Hyundai. I think these are the Konas. Let me just walk around and take a quick look here. Yes, yeah, it's Hyundai Kona. And we've got a Buick Encore here. And it's okay, we got a RAV4, another Corolla. Of course, the 300's got the sunroof. And another Tesla. It's great to see the Teslas out here as well. Toyota Highlander, a couple more Teslas. Oh boy, the Teslas are just rolling in out here as well. Yeah, so definitely a lot of electric car options out here at Hertz. And not much else to show you here at Hertz other than we can kind of walk through the returns a little bit. They got a bunch of Tesla Model 3s kind of lined up. Maybe these are coming back. Again, it's been sold out this weekend for quite a while, so this is just, there's a bunch of people actually waiting for cars. I think that's going to wrap it up for Hertz. Just a quick reminder, go ahead, click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.